Hey guys, I'm showing you this Radclo drone with camera. This is a 1080 pixel high definition FPV foldable mini drone with carrying case. So this the carrying case that comes with the box, and you can see like it's a really nice handy carrying case. You can easily carry it over, just transport your drone anywhere you want. And this is the zipper lock. So drone and everything is packed really nice in it. So this is a foldable drone. You can easily unfold it and then to its full shape. You will need to be a little bit careful, there's a sequence to open this, and once this is open you can see like it's a nice quality. So this is the battery, remote, and this comes with two batteries. So here the additional battery, additional propeller, protector, and the charging cable. So this is the micro USB charging cable, and I will charge this battery with this USB cable. This is the remote. You have to put batteries in it, and this batteries comes with this one. So you have to put these three AA batteries. So you have to just start this one, and this is for the mobile holder that you can put your mobile after installing the app. So this is a side protector, additional propeller, additional battery. This is the manual that explains everything that you can do with this drone. And you have to install this app for proper functioning. So I charge this battery. I will put it inside. So this start looking for for the remote or for the app. You can set it up with this remote. Once this is linked to the remote, this light will stop blinking, so that you know that the drone is set. So this is up and down side button for the propellers. I will adjust it after installing the app so that you can see. So I'm installing this app by scanning this QR code, and after the scanning the QR code, I will install this app that you can see. So without app you cannot see that video. So you have to install this app if you want to see the video and the photos, or even use the videos and the photos. So this is the app that will start, and see it is connected now with the remote. So and you press the up button, it start propelling. And you can see even the camera like through the mobile, that how this looks like. So this is a one key takeoff or land or attitude hold or 360-degree flip, gift toys. So this is how like it goes. You can see that flying. So you can hold the height that you want to. And I will also show you the app function through this. See like the video is capturing a good high definition video. So it's basically a very nice drone that you can play with, and be careful with all the things. Yeah, different view, and hope you will enjoy this as well.